Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Don't mind me, don't mind me. What you doing? Keep talking, keep talking. But I thought we talked about. I know, I was thinking 2 heads are better than 1. And I think I'll be the perfect addition to your fabulous show. I know. I think I was, just add a little beauty.
And I want to do this by myself.
Jazzle dazzle.
Just by myself. My lonesome. Yes, that is how I feel.
So, I don't want to be part of your little show anyway. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jazzmen, where we talk about beauty, fashion, and plant-based recipes. Today is My Meals Monday, and I have a food recipe for you. We have Chickpea Pot Pie that had the biscuit top on it, and pretty easy to make. But before we get into the recipe, as always, at the end of the video, we have tea time, where I taste test your drinks. That's right, it could be an alcoholic recipe, a regular punch recipe, or even a smoothie recipe. You just put it down below, and randomly I would choose a comment, and that comment will be featured in the next video. So if you like what you're seeing, if you like what you're hearing, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and press subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay in tune with everything Jazzmen is doing. Let's get to the recipe. So first we're going to start off with our stock. You want to have a great base, and stock is it. So we're going to add about 1.5 cups of stock into our pot, and we're going to amp this up to the max. We're going to add some fresh veggies so we can just boost up that flavor. So we're going to add 1 whole head of garlic. Yes, 1 whole head of garlic. And we're going to add 1 stalk of celery, 1 carrot, and off screen I added a half of an onion and a half of a vegan chicken bouillon cube. I am also adding in 2 bay leaves. Now the bay leaves add a lot of flavor, so don't forget to add them to your pot. We're going to put this on our eye and let this cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. Now it's up for our fresh veggies. So I'm using a carrot, 1 stalk of celery, green beans, a red pepper, a whole onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to chop them up just like this. And once you've chopped up all your veggies, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of plant-based butter or oil to a pot on medium heat, and add in all of your vegetables and cook for about 5 minutes. Then you add 2 tablespoons of dry cooking wine. Allow that to cook, and now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of flour so we can just create a roux to create that gravy, thick, creamy like goodness that we're used to in a pot pie. So once we allow that to cook for about 5 minutes, we're going to add our plant-based milk. I'm using almond. You can use whatever you want. So I added 1 cup of that, and I added in 1 can of chickpeas and 1 cup of green peas to our pot, and we're going to allow that to cook for about another 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our amped up vegetable stock to our pot. is about 1.5 cups, and we're going to allow this to cook for 15 minutes. Now while we're letting that cook, we're going to add our seasonings. I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of parsley. And allow that to cook for 15 more minutes until you get this thick deliciousness. Now add this to a baking dish, and it's time to make the biscuit topping. Now I'm using Bisquick. Bisquick is vegan, so I added 2.5 cups of Bisquick to 3/4 cup of plant-based milk, and I just dollop that on top once combined. Now once you've topped off your casserole or your pot pie, you're going to add that to the oven at 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and you get this deliciousness that is absolutely comforting and super yummy. Alright guys, we have this delicious chickpea pot pie. Good. It's really comforting. Great hot meal for the winter time. Fluffy biscuit. Delicious and nutritious vegetables. Really, really good. But now it's time for the TT time. And the winner is... Congrats to you. Now let's get to TT time. Hi guys, what I'm trying today is the Moscow meal. It's just 2 ounces of vodka, depending on the recipe, 4 to 6 ounces of ginger beer, and 3/4 to an ounce, 3/4 ounce or an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and you have the Moscow meal. So let's taste our drink, shall we? For people who like ASMR. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not harsh. I feel like if you like ginger, then you will like this drink. It's not harsh, but it's not very sweet or overly sweet at all. It's just like in that mid range. If I had to judge this from like on a star rating, on a rating scale, 1 jazzy star meaning the, and then 5 meaning absolutely amazing, I will put this like 2.75 to 3. Like, this is a solid drink. It's not bad at all. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, so cool. I get to taste it, and I like this really cool cup, the copper mugs. They're really, really cute. Anyway, thank you for coming to my channel, and like I said, if you like what you see, if you like what you hear, go ahead and press that thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can always stay in tune with Jazz New. Like I said before, stay cute, stay healthy, and stay you, my friends. Bye!